Electronic devices for kids. Here are some examples of electronic devices for children. Washing machine, washing machine. Refrigerator, refrigerator. Air conditioner, air conditioner. Laptop, laptop. Computer, computer. Mobile phone, mobile phone. Tablet, tablet. Speaker, speaker. Heater, heater. Geyser, geyser. Microwave ovens, microwave ovens. Blender, blender. Juicer, juicer. Rice cooker, rice cooker. Vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner. Television, television. CD player, CD player. DVD player, DVD player. Gaming console, gaming console. Air purifier, air purifier. Bread maker, bread maker. Coffee maker, coffee maker. Digital camera. Printer. Lawn mower. Toasters. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.